Hey, hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Jet2 Mastery. In this video, we are going to solve x power n problem. So let's read the question carefully. Take input x and n as the two numbers, and we are required to print x power n, but the condition is without using inbuilt power function. So without using inbuilt power function, we have to print x power n. So let's take your x is 10 and the power is 3. What is 10 power 3? 10 power 3 is 1000, right? So let's think how we are going to solve. Okay, so let's take your x is 2 and your n is 5. So what will be the answer of 2 power 5, right? So initially, so let's write the 2 power 0. So what is 2 power 0? It is 1. 2 power 1 is 2. 2 power 2 is 4. 2 power 3 is 8, 2 power 4 is 16, 2 power 5 is 32. So our answer will be 32. But the thing is how we are going to approach, how we are going to solve this problem without using power function. So if we use the power function, we can directly print power of 2 comma 5, then we will get 32. But our task is we never use this inbuilt function. So without using inbuilt function, we have to find out the answer. How it is possible? Let's think. So before that, I would like to ask a very simple question, guys. What is anything power 0? Let's take anything power 0. Anything, any number that power of 0. Okay, that will be power equal to 1, right? Any power 0, it will be 1. Fine. Suppose I need 2 power of 1. Initially my power is 1. I have to get the answer 2. How will I get? How will I change from 1 to 2? Can I add plus 1? It is not possible. Okay. Even I add from the next case, it won't work. So how can I change from power 1 to, then now my power is 2. See, power equal to power star 2, power multiplication of 2. Now what will be your power right now? So power equal to power into 2. The previous power value is 1. 1 into 2. So now your power value is 2. So 2 power 1. Okay. So I need again, what is 2 power 2? So 2 power 2 is already my power value is 2. So power equal to power into 2. Repeat the process. Repeat this step. So now my power value equal to 2 into 2. So I'll get a 4 here. So my power equal to 4. Suppose I have to find out one more. 2 power 3. What will be? Repeat the same process. So my power value equal to 4. So 4 into 2. My new power will become 8. So my power equal to 8. So what I have to do again? So power equal to power star 2. 8 into 2, my power is equal to 16. Again 16 into 2, my power will become 32. So the given task is very simple. So initially our power variable contains 1 only, because anything power 0, it will 1 only. Suppose if I need anything x power n, so I am going to repeat this step n times, right? If I need 2 power 5, so 5 is n, right? So I am going to repeat this step n times. So let's take initially our power equal to 1. So 1 become 2. Again it will become 4. Again it will become 8. 8 will become 16. Again it will become 32. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times I have repeated. So I will get the concerned answer. Okay. So let's take 10. Your x is now 10. My x is 10 and n equal to 3. What will my initial power value is equal to 1, because 10 power 0 also 1. Anything power 0 1. So my formula is power equal to power star x. So this is our x. Okay. So initially my power equal to 1. What will be my 10 power 1 value? Repeat this step. Power equal to power into x. X value is 10. So 1 into 10. Now your value become 10. Yes, one time I have done this step. I need 10 power 2. So repeat this step 2 times. This is for one time. The second time power equal to 10 because my recent power value is 10. 10 into what is x value? X value is 10. So now it is 100. So if I want 10 power 3, repeat this step n times. So this is the formula, guys. So let's do code. Let's get the two integer from user. Scanner SN equal to new scanner system.in. Fine. So int x equal to SN dot next int. Next int n equal to SN dot next int. Fine. Then our formula is for int I equal to 1 to n times I less than or equal to n I plus plus. So this many time I am going to calculate power equal to power star x. What is the initial value power contains? So int power equal to 1. Initially anything power 0 1. So initially power variable contains 1. So power equal to power star x, it will run n times, then we will get the concerned answer. So system dot out dot print ln of my power. So let's run the code. Okay, one more close bracket. Okay, 10 power 3, it will become 1000. Yes, we'll check 2 power 5. 2 power 5 is 32, right? So 2 and power 5, yes, it will 32. This is what we are getting, right? This is what we need. Okay, fine. I hope you have understood this problem. I will catch up you next interesting problem. Until then, bye bye, take care.